Hey, John. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Sarah. I've been good, thanks. Just busy with work and all. How about you?
Same here. Work has been pretty hectic, but I try to find time for some hobbies. Do you have any new hobbies?
Actually, yes. I started cooking more at home. It's been a lot of fun experimenting with new recipes.
That sounds amazing. What's the best dish you've made so far?
I made a really good lasagna last weekend. It took a while, but it was worth it. Do you cook?
I do, but nothing fancy like lasagna. I usually stick to quick and easy meals. I want to try baking more, though.
Baking is great. It's a bit more precise, but you can make some delicious treats. Have you tried any new recipes?
Not yet, but I've been looking at some easy cookie recipes. Maybe I'll try making some this weekend.
That sounds like a good plan. Let me know how it goes. By the way, have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I saw a great one called The Secret Garden. It's a beautiful story. Have you watched anything interesting?
I watched a documentary about space exploration. It was fascinating. I've always been interested in space.
That sounds cool. Space documentaries can be really inspiring. Maybe I'll watch one next time.
You should. They're very informative. Anyway, it was great catching up, Sarah. Let's do this more often.
Definitely. Take care, John. Talk to you soon.
You too, Sarah. Bye.